Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to Dutch braid your own hair. Begin by brushing hair smooth and misting with a light product for grip, then section the top into 3 equal parts at the crown. Keep tension firm but comfortable, and use your thumbs to slide strands under the middle piece. Add small side sections each time you cross under, keeping even spacing. Braid to the nape and finish with a secure elastic and gentle pancake for volume. Place your hands close to the scalp and treat the centerpiece as the anchor while you work. Use your non-dominant hand to pick up small side sections and your thumbs to tuck them under the middle. Keep movements deliberate and steady, and breathe as you go to avoid jerky pulls. If a section slips, pause, reset that portion, and continue slowly to keep the braid neat and even down to the ends. If your braid looks lopsided, stop and tighten each cross from the top down to the nape for consistent tension. When sections overlap or get too thick, undo 2 or 3 crosses and repartition the hair into smaller, even pieces before resuming. Use a handheld mirror or selfie camera to inspect the back periodically, making small adjustments rather than large corrections to keep the style smooth and secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.